Mid-November 2023 progress report visual. Upper flybridge, cutting in all the glass flybridge by Furuno. So the VHF and the loudhailer, the engine controls and throttles, cutting in the start-stop switches, putting on the mics. The upper multifunction remote, the stops for the M11 Cummins, the aft station controls, the glass bridge in, the radio box covers in, AC outlet in, jog lever in, autopilot in, alarm panel in. None of this stuff is wired up. Switch panels beginning, but it's all mounted. We'll start the hookups real soon. Finishing the top, sewing up the canopy cover. We've got the seat and the backrest and the top on, and all the snaps and snap studs.